Welcome to this video about the Bahamian dollar, a complete currency overview. We'll explore the history, coins, and banknotes of this fascinating currency. The Bahamas introduced the dollar in 1966. It maintains a fixed 1-to-1 parity with the US dollar, and businesses freely accept both currencies. The Bahamian dollar replaced the British pound. $1 equaled 7 shillings, and odd denominations were created for an easy transition. Coin materials evolved from solid heavy metals like nickel brass to cost-effective plated steel, such as copper-plated and nickel-plated steel. The coin reverses celebrate Bahamian culture, featuring local flora, fauna, and seas. The obverse side consistently displays the national coat of arms. The 1-cent coin was demonetized by the end of 2020. Merchants now round all cash transactions to the nearest 5 cents. Paper money authority evolved in 3 steps, transitioning from government issuance to the Bahamas Monetary Authority, and finally to the Central Bank of the Bahamas in 1974. Early banknotes featured Queen Elizabeth II, the head of state. Post-1992 notes honored deceased Bahamian leaders, although the Queen still appears on specific denominations. The reverse sides of the banknotes function as a national canvas. The artwork showcases real people, festivals, and landmarks of the Bahamas. The CRISP program, or Counterfeit-Resistant Integrated Security Product, uses distinct watermarks and electrotypes to track forgeries. The CRISP Evolution series, starting in 2016, features banknotes that all share the same dimensions and use bright colors for quick identification. The central bank updated the $10 note in 2022 to address the similarity between the original note and the green $1 note. The new design uses a distinct gray color. The $100 note features the national fish, the blue marlin, giving the bill its nickname. Arthur Dion Hanna appears on the obverse. The Bahamas launched the sand dollar, the world's first legal digital currency, in 2020. It serves as an exact alternative to the traditional dollar. The Bahamian dollar has shown over 50 years of stability, evolving from silver coins to advanced digital assets. The fixed parity ensures a permanent foundation for growth.